Hey guys, this is Mrs. Gastler, and in this video we're going to talk about Newton's third law of motion. And by the end of this lesson you should be able to state Newton's third law and explain what it means for objects, and also you're going to be able to write the reaction, the sentence that states what that reaction is. So we're going to start by writing out what that third law means, and it's kind of long because it's got a lot of pieces to it. So we're going to start with the sentence that most people know with a couple of extra words, okay? So the first law, or the third law, says for reaction force, there is an equal and opposite reaction force, and those extra words are force. It's always about forces. It's Newton's third law of motion, but it's always about forces. Forces, I wrote it in big letters there, forces. Every action force, there's an equal and opposite reaction force, okay? It's got two more pieces here. Equal in magnitude, that means size or amount, and opposite in direction, that means which way. And then there's a little diagram I'm going to draw here. And so here's my objects, A and B. They're going to interact with each other. See how they're bumping into each other? That means that one of them is going to push on the other. So when B hits A, there it is, pushing on A. A is going to push on B at the same time. There it is. Those forces are pointing in opposite directions. See, opposite directions. And they are equal in magnitude. Pretend those arrows are exactly the same size, because that's how I drew them.